So if you have seen my previous two videos on a topic, I'm kind of in need of a new keyboard because my last one unfortunately broke and Gigabyte refused to support any kind of warranty for it. So after 2 episodes of trying to explore some alternatives, I finally caved in and brought myself a new keyboard. So did I make a good choice buying my new baby over here? Or will she turn out to be a bit of a disappointment? That's what this video is about, as I'll be unpacking and giving my first reaction to my brand new keyboard, the G512 SE from Logitech. Let's get into this, shall we? If I'm honest, I didn't really look too much into other alternatives, as I couldn't really find any other branded keyboards in this price range, so I guess that's a point for Logitech, I guess. Here it is. Oh, it's beautiful. So, what do we have here? Oh, there's the cable. Okay. Ooh. Here it is with its GX blue switches. That's right, I went from Cherry MX Red to GX blues. I've never found them before, but we'll see what it's like. Okay, come on. Let me get into my keyboard, please. I can't wait to touch it. And even though I know that sounds wrong, I gotta say, looks-wise, I think it may look a tiny bit better than my last one. Like, I love the finish a bit more. But here's the moment of truth. Will I actually like the key press? Let's go A, my lucky letter, and honestly, I expected a bit more click, if that makes sense. Like, these are actually way more similar to Red than I imagined. But like, honestly, I think I like these more than Reds. I never thought I'd say that, especially since, well, I don't know why I'm saying that because I haven't had too much experience with other keys other than Reds, but I think I may like these more than I do like Reds. Like, they have this little extra thing to them that the Reds just didn't have. One thing I've noticed already, which is actually really confusing, is look at this, guys. Look at this. There's only a caps lock and a G, which I'm guessing is game mode. LEDs. Like, you have num lock and scroll lock buttons, but for some reason they do not have their own little indicator LEDs. Which is like, look at this. That's actually something. Why? Honestly, I don't know why. Seeing how they already have 2, what's the point of having 2 more? And that can actually be really irritating if you're just, you know, working where you activate numlock or scroll by accident and then you just don't know if they're on and off. So what's the G for? I'm guessing it's game mode, which in like other keyboards basically just deactivates the Windows key. Honestly, I can't actually see what triggers it. F8. So F8 is, I'm guessing, game mode. It doesn't have its own little. It doesn't have its own little button over here. My previous keyboard, the Aorus K7, had like a little button which is like down here, in between these two, the function and where this key is again called. That was basically the what they call the Winlock key. I'm kind of surprised it uses a F8 key, but apart from that, there's also this thing here, which I don't know what it's for. See, it's like a little indent, but like I don't know what it's for. So like, anyone knows what this is, please do let me know. Apart from that, what, you have your normal little legs, so you can stand it up. Oh, this already feels really at home. I think I'm gonna really enjoy this keyboard for gaming and for video editing. It was a bit out of the blue, where I could have spent my money on other things. But hey, I have to spend my money on a new keyboard. I may as well get some views out of it on YouTube, because that's how life works. There's also this thing, which I have no idea what it's for. It's like a little screw 'em in thing. Like I don't know what it's for. It's like for a little. It's basically like a screw, but like I don't know. Maybe some like additional stuff. I have actually no idea. It didn't come with any other accessories as far as I know. It's just a pure keyboard. It had a Logitech sticker, which I have another one for my G512 mouse. That's another thing, actually. It's gonna look really wow with my G512 mouse. These are actually gonna look so good together, like a proper Logitech G thing. So that's really cool. So my camera's yelling at me that I'm running out of space on my SD card. So if you want to help me buy a new SD card, because I currently spent all my money on this, then maybe check out my Patreon. Even $1 a month goes a long way. Plus I'll be adding brand new tiers and rewards, so definitely stay tuned because that's gonna be awesome. Plus, as always, check out my Discord down in the video description below as well, where you can talk to me or others about this keyboard or whatever else you want. And I guess that's really it. So you have my MSI little lucky dragon from, I can't remember what, EGX. There we go. I know it's blasphemy for some to place an MSI mascot on a Logitech G keyboard, but I don't care. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.